A horrifying massacre at a school in Uvalde. Now a former district officer is on trial accused of not doing his job to protect children. Nearly 4 years ago, a teenager crept into Robb Elementary School in Uvalde, fatally shooting 19 students and 2 teachers. Former school officer Adrian Gonzales is now on trial in Corpus Christi. From a mistrial hearing to emotional testimony, KENS 5's Rania Kaur brings us a recap of what's happened so far.
It's a historic case, as Adrian Gonzales is the first officer in Texas to face such charges.
9-year-old Eliana Garcia's mom, Jennifer Garcia, took the stand as the last witness Friday.
I want to say we were the second, third to last parents. At the end of the day, about 9-10 to find out that one of our children was one of the deceased.
Her emotional recount marking the end of a tough first week. Adrian Gonzales, a former Uvalde CISD police officer, was one of the first on scene on May 24, 2022, when a gunman shot and killed 19 students and 2 teachers at Robb Elementary School. He pleaded not guilty to 29 felony counts of child abandonment or endangerment. Prosecution believes Gonzales' actions failed the victims.
That gunman then walks down the hallway, gets to room 111 and 112, the entryway, and fires in the neighborhood of 20 shots in the hallway. And Adrian Gonzales remains.
Defense argues Gonzales did what he could
to get this information, understand it, communicate it, figure it out, and it's about what, and also protect himself and the teacher. I mean, he's trying to make sure that both of them are not being shot at because they don't know. That's 1 minute of time. This isn't a man waiting around. This isn't a man failing to act.
After a day of testimony, the case almost ended in a mistrial due to new claims in a teacher's statement at the stand. Judge Sid Harrell eventually ruling that teacher's testimony would be excluded. Teachers also took the stand, mapping out the shooter's movements from that day.
As he was shooting through the window, and the kids were directly across, and I thought I made the worst mistake I had ever made.
Law enforcement who processed the scene explained where the bullets came from before entering the classrooms. The defense maintains Gonzales never saw the shooter. Prosecutors aim to convince jurors that Gonzales' inaction that day placed children's lives in danger. Jurors will have to decide whether this alleged inaction rises to the level of a crime.
I'll be in Corpus Christi this week covering the trial. You can follow along with our coverage on air and online. Rania Kaur, KENS 5.